Good morning, everybody. I'm trying out this new app, recording. The old-fashioned VHS camera for my Android phone. It's different, I'll tell you. Pretty cool. Boss, it's cool. I don't know. It's different. Of course, the picture quality is not the best on it at all. Well, hey, what can you say? We'll try it off and see what you guys think. It's actually on my cell phone. I'll show you. Yeah, go there, but so how was everybody been? I've been off busy working. My body's sore. Been cutting down trees and working my real job and been wanted to get some more videos going, but trying to get the internet situated here is another story. I got free Wi-Fi, but I can't find the cord for my laptop, so I can't charge that. And my desktop, of course, I gotta have a Wi-Fi extender so I can plug it in. So I'm hopefully this weekend, if not sometimes next week, get the charge for my laptop, because if I can do that, then I can plug the desktop into the laptop. Of course, I've internet both ways. But for now, I'm just gonna do the best I can to upload the videos and that from my phone. Got a little chill outside today. Crappy out. But yeah, I'll show you guys. But you guys, I didn't know you guys would be able to see. I don't know if this will work. Awesome. Yeah. It's cool that I can do that. How about that? Wow. Yeah, I'm doing that again. Oh. No, I was actually in there watching some YouTube videos. FoozyTube, Roman Atwood,